Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Ablon Public School. In previous class, we learned about the Amazon basin, the location of Amazon basin and climate. And today we are going to learn about Amazon basins, rainforest and the life of people. So children, what type of forests are these? As I told you that it rains heavily in this region. So thick forests grow. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches doesn't allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp. Only shade tolerant vegetation may grow here. Okay, children. So the rainforest is rich in fauna. Now look in that Amazon river, piranha, stingray, eel. These are found in the Amazon river. Okay, these insects are also found in the rainforest like beetle, spider, butterfly, ant. So you can find orchids, bromeliads, water lily. Also, these are flowers. So birds such as toucans, hummingbirds, birds of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage, oversized bills for eating make them different from birds we commonly see in India. These birds also make loud sounds in the forest, and animals also. So myrtle, laurel, acacia, Brazil nut, rosewood, mahogany, these plants also grow in proper amount in that forest. Okay, children. Monkey, sloth, tapir, and anaconda, ant-eating tapirs are found here. Various species of reptiles and snakes also thrive in these jungles. Crocodiles, snakes, pythons abound. Anaconda and boa constrictor are some of the species. Beside the basin is home to thousands of species of insects. Several species of fishes, including the flesh-eating piranha fish, is also found in the river. The basin is thus extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found here. Okay, children. So people grow most of their food in small area after clearing some forest trees in the forest. While men hunt and fish along the rivers, women take care of the crops. They mainly grow tapicoma, pineapple, and sweet potato. As hunting and fishing are uncertain, it is the women who keep their families alive by feeding them in vegetables they grow. They practice slash and burn agriculture. The staple food is manioc, manioc, also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like the potato. They also eat queen ants and egg sacs. Cash crops like coffee, maize, and cocoa are also grown. So the rainforest provide a lot of wood for the houses. Some families live in thatched houses shaped like beehives. There are other large apartment like houses called maloka with a steeply slanting roof. Life of the people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing. In the older days, the heart of the forest could be reached only by navigating the river. In 1970s, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are also used for reaching various places. The indigenous population was pushed out from the area and forced to settle in new areas where they continued to practice their distinctive way of farming. So the developmental activities are leading to the grateful destruction of the biologically diverse rainforest. It's estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually in the Amazon basin. So you can see that this destruction of forest has a much wider implication. The topsoil is washed away as the rainfall and the lush forest turns into barren landscape. So dear children, we all should stop the cutting of trees. It is very important. It's very useful for the raining. So we all should try to ban. Now revise this concept. Next, we will meet soon. And till then, take care of yourself and your family. Have a great day.